Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E15 and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of this phone. So, when you boot it up for the first time, you will be presented with the same screen that you can see on my end, where you get to this select your desired language from the list and then select Start. On the next page you can insert a SIM card, but this step is completely optional, and the reason it shows up here is because this is one of the ways you can connect to mobile network. The other one would be through Wi-Fi, and if you choose to skip both of those, then date and time won't be set automatically, you won't have Google login page throughout the setup process, and you won't have access to restore apps and data from a cloud backup. Now here we can set up your device using your old phone. If you want to, just go to the guide that will provide you, but I'm setting this device up as a new one, so I'm gonna select skip. Connect to Wi-Fi. So here's the Wi-Fi connection page. Again, I'm gonna skip this one, and it gives you the same message that I already told you about. Next we have privacy and security, so you can go over these and toggle some of them off if you don't like it. Date and time. If you connect it to network, you won't see this page at all. Google services, we have location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. You can turn all of these off, but it's from Google, so let's be honest, it's not like these probably do anything. Google will get their data one way or another. Next we have screen lock, and we have three different options. So we have PIN, pattern, or password under the screen lock options. And additionally, you don't need to protect your device at all if you don't want to, so you just select skip. Here we have some stay up to date. So this is basically spam from Motorola. If you want this, you can get this by providing them your email. I don't, so I'm just gonna select next. And here we have navigation style. So we have two different methods. We have the gestures and the buttons. I'm gonna select gestures as that's what I prefer more. Next we have theme, light, dark, and both, meaning it will switch based on time of day. Then we have setup parental controls. Completely up to you. If this is your device, you probably don't want to set it up. And we're all set. So let's click finish and wait for the home screen to show up. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.